Hey everyone, and welcome back to Ubud, Bali, where today I was about to have the ultimate Ubud Day Trip experience, where adventure, culture, and nature would come together right in the heart of Bali. On today's adventure, I would visit the picturesque Ceking Rice Terraces, have a guided tour at the Satria Coffee Plantation, take in the sacred Tirta Empul Temple, and experience 3 breathtaking waterfalls, Tukad Cepung, Tibumana, and Canto Lampo.
So today I'm really excited because I am off to do an excursion with Get Your Guide, and they're coming to pick me up right at my hotel.
My awesome guide Alet kicked off our adventure by taking us straight away to Ceking Rice Terrace, which is situated in the iconic Tegalalang Rice Terraces, where the lush green fields stretch out as far as the eye can see.
Oh wow, amazing.
Yeah.
This UNESCO World Heritage Site captures the breathtaking, vibrant terrace slopes of Bali's traditional rice farming, and is the perfect spot for that ultimate Bali Instagram post.
So if you're looking for that perfect Instagram picture, the rice terraces are perfect to visit. They offer swings and lots of places to take some really great photos.
Actually Tirta Empul Temple. And
Say the name again.
Tirta Empul Temple.
Okay.
And in Tirta Empul Temple, they have a holy spring there.
Yes.
And the water there is never high. It's never cloudy, higher or lower. Always like that every time.
Okay.
That's why they call water temple, right?
Okay. And is it special because it's a water temple? Like, what makes it different than a different, like a normal temple?
Okay, so Tirta Empul Temple. So we not only come to Tirta Empul Temple just for pray, but we are Balinese do purification ritual there.
Okay.
Yeah. So the function of the purification ritual, we believe will clean yourself.
Yes.
Yeah. And your mentality like that. Yeah.
Like detox.
And yeah.
Yeah. So we've now arrived at the Tirta Empul Temple, which is a holy spring, and they actually do a purification ceremony here at the temple.
You have a queue here.
So the president actually has a place here, so when the president visits from Jakarta, he actually stays up there. So if you want to partake in the water purification ceremony, you do have to rent a green sarong.
Balinese people here.
Okay.
Yeah.
So they do, right, I've seen that they do dances
Yeah.
and stuff in here. Okay. You wash your face, you wash your hair 3 times, and then you wash your face 3 times?
shower. Like that.
Oh, in every single one. Okay, so you go to every little waterfall and you do that. It's a bad spirit, Randu? Okay. So that is Randu, and it means that he's a bad spirit. So how come he's here?
Yeah. This is, and we have symbolic of good spirit.
So what does it mean for Randu to be here since he's a bad spirit?
Yeah, because
What does it mean over here?
like this. I will show you. This is we call warong. You know?
Okay.
Have you been seen?
Yeah.
Yeah, this is a symbolic of good spirit, a good things. Yeah, like this. Yeah.
So why is there a bad spirit here though?
Because just symbolic. Yeah, like that. Yeah. That's
Is he supposed to soak up all the bad so that there's only good, or?
yeah, like that.
Yeah. So to enter the temple, you have to actually put your hair up, which that's why we put mine up.
is the holy spring here.
Okay.
And this water is never cloudy, higher or lower, always like that everywhere, every time. And the water come from the ground like that.
The water that's in that spring, and that's the water that's in there?
Come from here.
It comes from here. But it's always at the same level, this water.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Same.
It never gets higher, or even during a storm, it never gets higher.
Yeah.
Wow. That's kind of neat. So it's full of minerals, basically.
Yeah.
It's good for you, water. So I just learned the Balinese or Indonesian word. It's Indonesian, right? Is it Balinese or Indonesian?
Yeah. No, it's different.
It's different, so just in Balinese.
We speak Balinese and Indonesian.
Okay, so in Balinese, medal, which looks like metal, means out. See, I just learned something. And actually, I've been learning a lot of things, so that's just another thing that I've learned now from Alec today. How different is Balinese than Indonesian? Is it really different?
Yeah.
Or is it just a different dialect that you can understand?
Yeah.
Or do you not understand at all?
So actually, in every village, and actually in every island Indonesian, they speak, they have another
Their own
language.
right.
And
that's
for me-
normal for most countries, yeah.
And we, as a Balinese, we speak Balinese here as a Balinese people. And if we meet another people from like Java Island, Lombok Island,
Right.
actually we speak Indonesian.
Then you speak Indonesian. So
Yeah.
you grew up learning two languages.
Yeah.
Okay. So I found the water ceremony to be really beautiful. I also actually got quite emotional watching it. I think with all of my going on, and even though I didn't participate in it, seeing, something about it just really moved me.
Only now, it's all you trust. Right now, you jump the gun. Like the last time that you chose, it just you. Only now, can you light the spark to come out of the dark like the last time?
What's funny is they're already negotiating prices, even though you haven't even looked at their merchandise. They're already deciding that you need it and how much.
Yeah. Ooh, yeah, that day. Yeah.
So I do see a ton of things that I want, but the question would be, how would I get it home?
Ooh, yeah, that day. We'll go on.
Lunch was on my own, but Alit dropped me off at a picturesque restaurant that was just a few minutes outside the temple called Warung Dekoi.
Trust the fool, you less away, yeah. Like the last time that
So I love this. What a beautiful setting.
was young.
So I've ordered a lemongrass iced tea. I'm kind of in love with their lemongrass iced tea. And I also ordered the mee goreng. Again, if I'm saying that right, I feel like every time I say it wrong. But it's a non-spicy dish. In Indonesia, I think you can get it with spice. I prefer not spicy. But they're basically fried noodles. It's got an egg on top of it. And usually it's like satay chicken that you get. One time I had a little bit of peanut sauce with it. That was really good. The second time I didn't have it. This will be my third time having it. So we'll see how it comes out.
I also ordered some Vietnamese summer rolls
Yeah, that day.
and for dessert, banana pancakes with vanilla ice cream on top.
So there's actually banana in the middle of the pancake. So really yummy.
Next was the perfect timing after a full meal, and that was for a tour and tasting of the Satria Coffee Plantation.
This is a coffee bean plant. And actually the flowers smell like jasmine.
This all coffee bean become red color. We take about the coffee.
Okay, so they
Only-
turn red,
Yeah,
and
only
then you roast them after.
Dried and we roasting
Okay.
until powder.
Got it.
Smell is only the plantation like a
Okay,
bit. Okay.
very cool. Yeah, I've never actually seen a coffee bean
Yeah,
tree.
this is coffee bean. This
Yeah.
coffee bean is the red color. The fruit is from in the middle, already outside the color, the brown color.
Uh-huh.
The skin like a skin snack, inside white color. Sweet like apple.
Oh, okay.
Snack skin fruit. Yeah,
It's a Mexican fruit.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Huh.
It's a
So,
cacao for the chocolate.
the cacao, I know. That I know. I've never tried the fruit
The
though.
fruit, yeah.
In the cacao though.
The skin until the full yellow.
Yeah. So
You like chocolate?
I
You-
love chocolate.
You taste chocolate from here.
okay.
Inside you
Yeah,
can
I bought some Bali chocolate.
Yeah, you taste chocolate from here.
Yeah.
This curcuma, you know curcuma? Curcuma like turmeric.
Like turmeric.
Yeah,
Okay.
this semira turmeric.
Got
this
it.
Is yellow.
It's yellow.
Good for tea, then good for healthy.
Got it.
That you chose, chose you.
Yeah.
This
little
pineapple, one plant, one fruit.
Yes.
This one plant, one fruit.
But it creates other plants though.
Yeah,
So,
we open in the top, then we new grow.
yeah. It's funny with the pineapple. One day nothing's there, all of a sudden
Yeah.
there's a pineapple there.
Pineapple, not the season. Sometimes so many the fruit pineapple in Bali. The skin,
So I can eat the skin?
Yeah.
Okay. So this is a coffee bean actually.
not like a coffee, like a berry.
Like a berry.
You close, open the bean inside. In the bean we have male and female. This female.
So there's two.
What you taste? A little bit sweet.
It was a little bit sweet, and now the skin's kind of bitter, but it was a little bit sweet.
Yeah, this the water.
I like the lemongrass iced tea. I've been drinking
tea.
that. Yeah.
Inside you can taste tea
Yeah.
or lemongrass. We have a pepper, white pepper,
White
black
pepper.
and this a clove.
Oh,
What is
clove. Yeah.
Taking a flower,
Smells
red
so
flower.
good, yeah.
It smells so good. And this coffee bean like you eat.
Okay. And
It's,
so you
we
roast
dry, we be roasting in the
roasties.
black.
Got it.
If like this, the full pepper this long,
Oh.
maybe some in the bean. All
As a
pepper
bee-
take
it's
the
the-
green color.
Got it. Wow, I've never. It's my first time seeing black
the-
pepper.
The plant pepper. All
Huh.
pepper taking the green color.
Wow. Okay. What are these guys?
This animal, the luwak.
What are they?
This is luwak. Luwak animal,
Oh, luwak.
nocturnal animal, all day sleeping.
They're sleeping. I don't know what a
Sleeping all
luwak.
day, then
So, okay, the luwak, which are these
get.
animals here, they use their poop, and that's what you roast the coffee
Yeah,
in.
so the-
And they roast the coffee beans in the luwak poop, and that's what gives it the distinctive taste to it.
Yes,
So I learned about that, but I didn't know what the animal was. I still don't know because they're sleeping. But yeah, what a luwak is.
Because of the
Hey everyone! I just want to take a moment to talk to you about the travel booking platform, Get Your Guide. If you're planning a trip and looking for some unique experiences, or maybe you just need some skip the line tickets to some of those famous attractions, Get Your Guide is definitely the way to go. They operate in over 150 countries, providing a diverse range of experiences from popular attractions to off the beaten path experiences in thousands of destinations. In Singapore, we bought skip the line tickets, saving us up to 40% on combination tickets for Gardens by the Bay, and then in Thailand, we had the best stress-free day trip to the weekend floating market and train market, all led by an expert certified local guide, giving us a true authentic experience, and they even picked us up right next to our hotel. So for all of your skip the line tickets, specialized tours, walking tours, food and beverage tours, cooking and craft classes, bucket list experiences, and niche offerings, you're gonna wanna check out Get Your Guide. And by using the link I'm providing in the description, it does go towards supporting my channel and allowing me to produce future content. So I thank you so much for all of the support. It can also be found on my website at hollycaputoproductions.com under resources. Now, back to the video.
So
Yeah,
a
from the
cinnamon,
back, yeah.
right? Okay. So that's a cinnamon tree.
the big tree.
Does the whole tree smell good then?
Smell. This good.
It smells like cinnamon?
Good, yeah. The
What is this?
lemongrass.
Lemongrass.
Lemongrass make
I like
tea.
lemongrass. I just drank a lemongrass tea.
You
Yeah.
can taste inside.
Yeah.
tea lemon.
Right now, how your job's a gun. Like the last time that you chose.
So in one tree we have two different type of beans, male and female coffee.
So it tastes different than male and female coffee?
Yes.
Yeah.
For the male coffee, when you open the red cherry bean coffee, you select one single bean coffee inside. Like
I
this.
ate one and it had two, so I had a female.
Yes. For the two bean like this, female.
But you can make coffee out of both, the male and the female?
Usually I mix together, but sometimes we separate.
So they have a different taste?
Yes. For the male coffee, more strong.
Male coffee more strong. More testosterone.
For the female, more sweet.
More sweet, exactly. See? Females more sweet, males more strong.
This one same.
But they're the same shape though?
Yeah. And in the box, coffee from the animal.
From the, okay. So you,
That one. Arabica labra madra. The food come out like that.
so the process is that they wash it several times after it's in the luwak poop, and then after it's dried, they peel it.
C'est comme ça, et après elle est lavée.
And by hand.
We need to roast it. As one after
Smells so good.
1 kilo 45 minutes.
1 kilo, 45 minutes.
Yes, the color become like that. After that, make the powder. We pound it here.
Oh wow.
I'm making coffee.
Then they have to dry until like that.
Tiens, tu vas torréfier.
So for the luwak coffee, they're still covering by the second layer.
Également, non?
Who figured out that they should put it in animal poop?
This one already to use.
Ooh,
And coffee. Eat this all day?
And then the final process, we have to sip it.
Thank you.
would go on.
Instead instead of cappuccino, it is Bali cappuccino. So very funny.
I could search the world, would I be happier than now?
So it's kind of amazing. They're responsible for so many different things here, from hot chocolate to ginseng coffee. They have an avocado coffee, which I've never had that before. Vanilla coffee, which is, you know, famous. Ginger tea, rice tea. So, you know, a lemongrass tea, which I just had the iced tea version of. Excited to try a bunch of things here, though. This is really neat. So I love this. This whole process has been so amazing, and I'm just getting to learn so much, but also just like see so much. So it's really cool. This plantation here, though, they're really responsible for a lot of things.
The rice, lemongrass, good for skin and diet also. Mangosteen tea, good for control cholesterol. Saffron and curcuma, good for immune system. Hot cacao, chocolate, good for everything. Good for everything. This one, coffee avocado. Bali coffee, no sugar.
Okay.
Vanilla coffee. Mochaccino, coffee and cacao. Coconut coffee, and the last one, ginseng, good for energy.
Wow, amazing. All right, starting with the tea. This one's the Rosella. That's really sweet. Wow.
Yeah, sweet and sour.
Yeah, no, it's good. Rosella is it's a flower, you said?
Yes.
Wow, I'm gonna drink this whole thing. Wow, I've never heard of Rosella before, but that was really good. All right, the next one is ginger tea. I'm sure it's probably gonna be really strong. Woo! Yeah, ginger tea is really, really strong. All right, on to the rice tea. You can see the rice at the bottom. So this is avocado coffee. I'd never had avocado coffee. This is amazing. Wow, that's delicious. Really, really good. So that was avocado. This one is unsweet coffee?
Yeah. No sugar.
No sugar. All right. So this is just regular Bali no sugar coffee. So of course no sugar, so it's on the bitter side, but really interesting. I do prefer the other ones though.
Yes.
This is, oh, it's hot chocolate. It's the cacao. Okay, so the cacao, but you weren't thinking chocolate in Bali, but they do grow cacao here. It's the perfect weather for it. So sweet, or I'm sorry, so smooth, not so sweet. It's so smooth. It's high in antioxidants. And this one that they've given isn't too sweet. It's very rich though. It definitely, I would say, comparable to Europe as far as hot chocolate goes, and Europe's got really good hot chocolate, so this is pretty amazing. All right, cheers to vanilla coffee. The vanilla is good, but actually the avocado is even better than the vanilla. The avocado is really amazing. The coffee has a very distinct flavor to it. Oh, coffee and cacao. Oh, okay, so I'll like this because it's coffee and chocolate. Yeah. And it's amazing how, again, how smooth it is. Both, you know, I don't know if it's that here you grind it so fine, but the coffee and the hot chocolate really just amazing. The flavor is just so good. And really different. I think when you have chocolate and coffee in the United States, it takes on a different flavor. And the same thing in Europe too. This is really different than anything that I've ever had. All right, next on to the coconut coffee. Now I really like coconut, so I think I'll probably really like this. But I have to say, so far, the avocado coffee is my favorite. Oh, this is good too. Yeah, I really love this coconut. I might like the avocado better though. I don't know. It's a kind of a toss-up, but this is good. And the last one is the ginseng coffee. So interesting that this is a coffee and not a tea, because normally when you think of ginseng, you think more in a tea. So, so coffee, and this coffee is low caffeine. You said, right?
Double caffeine this one.
But this one's got ginseng, so it's gonna like pep you up. So,
Yeah. It's called Red Bull coffee.
Red Bull coffee for sure. That's interesting.
Double caffeine.
Double caffeine, yeah. This one has a really interesting flavor. It's kind of on the sweeter side with the ginseng. It's good. I would say probably in order, I think my favorites would be the avocado, as far as coffee goes. Avocado, followed by the coconut, followed by this one probably. As far as the teas go, I like the rosella. I love the mangosteen. And
Saffron.
the saffron was really good too. So flavors that I'm not used to necessarily having coming from the United States. So this was really fun to try all of these. Thank you so much.
Like a bird on a tree, I'm just sitting here. I got time, it's clear to see from up here.
So that was such an incredible experience. I love that I got different guides here, here for the coffee tasting that really gave me a complete background on their whole facility here, and some history on things, because obviously I wasn't familiar, and the fact that I got to try everything. So I can't say enough about this tour. I mean, so far I've had so many experiences, and there's still more to come. Okay, so we've just made it to the Tukad Cepung Waterfall.
Two of us, deep in the ocean, bubble love, we got our devotion. You pulled me in so fast, you caught my breath.
It's not as bad. Well, if it was coming down on my shoulders, then yeah, but then I would say yes, but oh, careful, Alice. I'll take this path.
Only forever. Don't you try to hide it. We're so alike, babe. You're a blessing found in paradise. Wanna scream out loud, girl. The nature's watching. You're a blessing found in paradise. We could be drinking wine in Paris, dreaming of a house on an island. I'm not the type of guy to promise stars with the
So that was so fun.
stellar heights. Tell me I'm wrong, tell me I'm right. Is something striking? Every time you say it out, my heart's up.
Alex is complaining because there were 35 stairs. I told him that's not very much, but they are really, really big stairs.
And still there is more stairs.
Yeah. And there are more coming.
You're a blessing found in paradise. Wanna scream out loud, girl, that nature's watching. You're a blessing found in paradise.
Okay, now lots of stairs and big stairs. So we are now going to Tibumana Waterfall. Okay, we are at the last waterfall of the day. This is the Kanto Lempo waterfall. And Alex says this one is always busy.
Just trying to figure you out. What are you thinking about? And how I got so many questions. I feel like I'm losing you now. I'm acting like I don't care. You know I can't compare. Nobody else comes close. You got me out of control. Come make it personal. Yeah, personal. I wanna get to know you. So personal. Come make it personal. Yeah, personal. I wanna get to know you. So personal.
So I just finished my tour with Get Your Guide here in Bali, and I can't say enough about it. It was so much fun. My guide Alex, right here, he was such an awesome guide, and I'm gonna leave a link for you guys soon. So you're gonna want to check out this tour because it was a blast. Thank you, Get Your Guide, and thank you, Get Your Guide community.
Make sure that you're subscribed because next there's some serious monkey business going on in Ubud. And then I head to Uluwatu. See you next time.